Thank you.
What do you think of the health of the team?
For the team?
Yes.
Before I arrived here, I think it's a big club, and when I arrived, I know this. And I'm very happy to stay here. I think the relation with the other players is good. For me, it's more easy because there are Gonzalo is new and speaks Spanish very good to me, and Gal and Roberto, they do all more easy to me, you know, and the other players with English. I'm very happy because the relation is not the same if I speak Hebrew, but I feel good, very good.
Learning?
Oh, I think now 6, 7 words. It's difficult, but if I smile and you smile, it's all good.
You're coming from the Spanish league, maybe one of the best league in Europe, and you're coming to a club in Tel Aviv. Can you tell us about the differences between the club where you came and the club like Maccabi Tel Aviv?
In Spain, it's all beautiful that all the people see is the match. But maybe the clubs is not the same professional. Maybe here I think is a good club. Professional, there are more things maybe we can do better. There are things that are very good. Now for me, I think is spend more time to the difference, to speak to the difference. But now I think it's very good. Maybe it's the level to organization, the professional, maybe it's near the good teams of Spain. The difference now it's difficult to say because maybe
It's too early to say.
Yeah, it's difficult because all start now and we run in the best level physical. Maybe you are doing one match 5 bad passes, and today is 100 bad passes. And this is difficult because you don't think very tired.
The mentality is different from this.
Yeah, I think yeah, because here the all people like give the ball. This is very good, but other people think maybe go to do goal. And maybe in Spain there are all more tactics than here. I think this is a bit different, more different. Here the people that are good technique is very good. Maybe it's the same in Spain, because in Spain when you are a children you work the tactics hard, better the defense. And here you work more with the ball and maybe you have good with the ball, but after say okay, not only the strikers attack and not only the stopper defense. We are a team for all. It's more beautiful to say now here we are a team now. The team is when you play a match, we are a team. 11 people work to win the match. And if we defend the 11 and we attack 11. If I can help in attack, I do all I can to the ball arrive good to the striker. And after the striker, when we lose the ball, is the first defense and he helped to me. If you don't think this, I think is the world team is more beautiful than we are a team. The team is when all the players, all the people work in the team, work to the same, to win the match.
Sure. It sounds for us, when you talk about things like that, is that you want to see Maccabi Tel Aviv play like Barcelona or maybe the Spanish national team?
This is a big work thing. Starts slowly. The field is the same I say, work that, like a team.
But what is the role model from Spain that you take and you want to see Maccabi plays like which team?
I don't play much with Maccabi, only training. It's difficult to see these things. And maybe other teams, the coach say, I like this. And after the coach explain the idea, we do. Now I think it's it's only 10 days maybe, or 1 week. Or it's difficult to me say maybe it's to one team in Spain. It's difficult.
You came from Almeria.
Yeah.
You have another choices to play in Spain.
Yeah.
Why you choose Maccabi?
I choose Maccabi in the first for Jordan.
Sorry?
Jordan. I think Jordan don't come here. For me, it's more difficult to come here. And after I arrived one day in my house, I speak with my wife. I say, I believe maybe in Spain I play in first division, I play with Real Madrid, with Barcelona, and I play in a good teams in second division to go in first division. I try to don't go down in second division, and maybe I think in Spain it's always the same. Maybe one day you go in a little team, maybe Levante, and go in the UEFA, maybe. But I need a new fix for me. Yeah.
You said that you came because of Jordi Cruyff, and do you believe that Jordi Cruyff and Oscar Garcia can build a team that will fight for championship in Israel?
We are a big team, and you are a team that is same a big team. But if don't win the first match, and don't win the second match, and don't win the third match, if we lose the first match, it's difficult to say we win the league. It's okay when you have an objective a little, and you arrive okay, a little objective, it's good. After you, it's possible to do a big objective. But if the first is not good, the second no good, it's difficult.
But you believe that the staff, Jordi and Oscar, can build a professional, a big team in Maccabi that will fight for championship?
I think there are very good staff. Maybe they don't have a problem to work in a big team in Spain, I think.
שאלה אחרונה ונעבור לקבוצה.
The family is in Tel Aviv.
No, now it's not Tel Aviv because my apartment I gave the keys yesterday. I have one children, she has 1 year and a half, don't stop in all the day, and in the hotel, and if she go in the hotel in 2 days, the hotel say me, okay, go home, please. Yeah, maybe 1 month ago, I arrived here with my wife, and my wife in the second day say, I sing here 3 years, okay? And my wife say, if they want 5 years, for me, no problem.
It wasn't that hot, so she said, okay,
Yeah,
you should bring her now.
Thank you very much.